Welcome to registering on the UTSA Mobile App, presented by UTSA Academic Advising, where we engage, teach, and encourage our students to succeed. This video will provide step-by-step instructions for registering on the UTSA Mobile App. Registering is quick and easy on the app, so let's get started. Open the app, click the My Profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Under My Profile, scroll all the way down and click Enrollment. In Enrollment, first click Add and then select the correct semester. When searching for a course, users can choose to search by course subject and number or CRN. Users are also able to filter for time start and days of the week. Then click Search. The search results list all sections of a course being offered in that semester, including waitlisted courses, which is designated by the orange W in the top right-hand corner. Students are able to view meeting day and time, CRN, and instructor. Select a section to see more course information. After selecting a section from the list, students can view the course description, campus, credits, location of the course, schedule type such as face-to-face or online, any restrictions or prerequisites, and enrollment. For waitlisted courses, students are able to see the number of students already on the waitlist. To enroll, click Add, then Verify by clicking Yes. Done! Class has been added. Once registration is completed, students can view all courses by clicking Enrollment in the My Profile feature. Dropping a course on the mobile app can be just as easy. To drop a course, enter enrollment under My Profile, then select the course by clicking on that specific course. To drop the course, open the drop-down box at the bottom of the page. Select Drop Course No Grade, Submit Changes, and Course is now dropped. I hope you have found this instructional video helpful for registering on the UTSA mobile app. Adding and dropping classes is quick and easy on the app, and students no longer need access to a computer to make schedule changes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact your academic advisor or email us at advising@utsa.edu. I'd like to thank all the advisors that helped in creating this video. Thank you, and have a great day.